We're gonna put a little thread locker on this. Just a little bit, a little coat on it. Let's see. Now we're gonna put the bracket on. Now the bracket goes one way, it goes like this. The bracket goes like this. Now you gotta make sure you get to the hole. Put the hole in. Now you want to make sure you get into that hole. I think I got it. Yeah, we got the hole. That's it. Now you don't want to tighten them yet because you want to get the other one in to make sure you get it in. So we're going to put a little thread locker. This is going to go fine like that. We're going to put more thread locker on this one. Just dip it in. My other thing is sticky. So we're just going to put a little thread locker on it. Coat it up a little bit. That's it. And then we're going to put this one in. Get this one to lock. And we're done. Job was very easy to change brakes. Believe me, you can do this in your driveway too. Follow step by step and you'll get your brakes done. Believe me, they're very easy. These cars are very easy to do brakes these days. Very easy. I thought I couldn't do brakes. I learned how to do this in my driveway on my own. So, that's it. Now we're going to use a 21mm again. I'm going to tell you the torque specs of these bolts in a minute. And we're going to do this right now. Let's see if we get this on. Not tight enough yet. We got to tighten some more. There you go. Alright, she's on. That's it. Let's tighten this up. Now we gotta use a torque wrench and tighten to the right order. I'm gonna get the torque specs in a minute for this. I'm gonna torque these down now, and we're gonna be done with this job.